सर कैसे आ सकते हैं?
Okay, today's our lecture is about negative of a matrix, that is inverse of a matrix, transpose of a matrix, and we solve the remaining question of exercise 1.2. First of all, what is the negative of a matrix? We define a negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix. Let us consider, let A is equal to A, B, C, D be any matrix, then minus A is called ठीक है negative of matrix A. That is, negative of matrix A is negative A, negative B, negative C, and negative D. In a matrix A, if we change all the sign of the matrix, then it becomes a negative of a matrix. For example, a matrix B which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5, 8. Then negative of matrix B is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 5 is also a negative, therefore it becomes positive, and negative 8. Now we come across the next definition, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let A is equal to A, B, C, D be any matrix, then on interchanging rows into column and columns into rows is called transpose of a matrix. It is denoted by A transpose. A raised to power T means A transpose. For example, a matrix A is A, B, C, and D. If we take a transpose of a matrix, then A transpose is equal to, we write rows into column. This first row is written in the form of a column, that is A, B. This second row is also written in the form of a column, that is C, D. Then this becomes a transpose of a matrix A. We take some other example, matrix B, which is 1, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 5, 6. Then transpose of a matrix B, B transpose is equal to, row is converted into column. This row 1, minus 2, 3, and second row is also converted into column, which is 4, minus 5, and 6. It becomes a transpose of a matrix B. Is there any confusion? Please raise your hand. Is there any confusion in a negative of a matrix or a transpose of a matrix? Raise your hand.
No,
Sir,
sir.
I understood everything, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we come across the exercise
Yes.
1.2 on page number 9. Open the book, page number
Sir,
9.
here.
Open the book, page number 9. We solve the exercise, remaining part of the exercise. Exercise 1.2. Question number 4. Read question number 4. Question number 4 is find read the question number 4. Question number 4 is find negative of matrices A, B, C, D and E when matrix A is equal to 1, 0, minus 1, that is negative 1. Is change the sign of all elements, that is negative 1, 0, positive 1. Note that note that 0 is never negative nor positive. Therefore, 0 is neutral number. Neutral number. Now we write the negative of a matrix B. Here B matrix is 3, negative 1, 2, 1. Then negative of a matrix B is negative B, which is equal to negative 3, positive 1, negative 2 and negative 1. We change all the sign of a matrix elements which are the negative of a matrix. Now solve the remaining part by yourself. Now we come across question number 5. Question number 5. Find the transpose of each of the following matrices. The first matrix is A is equal to 0, 1, -2. Here matrix A is 0, 1, -2, then A transpose, which means that transpose of a matrix A. We convert rows into columns. This first row is converted into column or column into rows. Here we have in a matrix A, first column, we convert this column into row. That is 0, 1, -2. It becomes a transpose of a matrix A. By the definition of transpose of a matrix, we convert rows into columns or columns into row. In a matrix A, there is only one column. We convert this column into row, which gives us a transpose of a matrix A. Now, the second matrix is the matrix B, which is 5, 1, -6. In this matrix, we see that there is only one row. Therefore, transpose of matrix B is B transpose, which is equal to 5, 1, -6. That is, this row is converted into column. It becomes a transpose of a matrix B. Now we see the third one, that is the matrix C. Matrix C is equal to 1, 2, 2, -1, 3, 0. Then transpose of a matrix C, that is C transpose, is equal to, we convert rows into column. That is 1, 2 converted into column form 1, 2. The second row is converted into second column. That is 2, -1. The third row is converted into column. That is 3, 0. It becomes a transpose of a matrix C. Similarly, you can solve the remaining three parts. Now we come across the question number 6. In question number 6, verify that if A is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0, then first part is A transpose again transpose, means whole transpose, is equal to A. The second one part is B transpose whole transpose is equal to B. Now we solve the first part. Here we are to show that A transpose is equal to A. First of all, we write a matrix A which is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1. Now taking transpose on both sides. Taking transpose on both sides, which gives A transpose is equal to, as by the definition of transpose, rows is converted into column and column are converted into rows. Here the first row of the matrix is 1, 2. It's converted into a column form, that is 1, 2. Similarly, the second row, which is 0, 1, it is converted into column form 0, 1. It's a transpose of a matrix A. Now taking again transpose on both sides, which gives A transpose whole transpose is equal to. Now again you convert rows into columns. First row in the form of a column, which is 1 0, and the second row in the form of a column, which is 2 1. Now here we see that A transpose whole transpose becomes 1 2 0 1, and initially we see that A is equal to, here A is equal to 1 2 0 1. Instead of a matrix 1 2 0 1, we write A. Therefore A transpose whole transpose is equal to A, which is our required answer. Now the second part, do yourself. We come another definitions or addition of a matrix, and we solve some other question of exercise 1.3, for which we define, first of all we define addition of a matrix. As in previous class we see that how we add two numbers. Here we learned that how we add two matrices. Therefore first of all define addition of a matrices. Addition of a matrices. Two or more than two matrices are con two or more than two matrices are conformable for addition if order of matrices are same. We add two or more than two matrices if their orders are same. Two or more than two matrices are conformable for addition if order of matrices are same. For example, let us take two matrices, matrix A, which is equal to 1 2 3 4, and another matrix B, which is equal to 4 3 8 1. Now here we see that the order of both matrices are same. That is, the order of a matrix A is 2 cross 2, and order of a matrix B is also 2 cross 2. Order of a matrix B is also 2 cross 2. Therefore, the matrix A is conformable for addition with the matrix B. Then we add these two matrices. Matrix A add with the matrix B. Matrix A is 1 2 3 4, which we add with the matrix B, and matrix B is 4 3 8 1. How to add these two matrices? We add the first element with the first element of the other matrix. That is, 1 is added with the 4. The second element with the second element of the other matrix. That is, 2 is added with the 3. The third element is added with the third element. That is, 3 is added with 8 and 4 is added with 1. Now we solve it. 1 add 4, 2 add with 3, 3 add with 8, 4 add with 1. It becomes 5, 11, 5 and 5. Here's the required answer. Now we take exercise 1.3 and solve some questions. In exercise 1.3, the first question is exercise 1.3. First question is, which of the following matrices? Question number 1 is, which of the following matrices are conformable for addition? Here are some matrices. Matrix A, which is equal to 2, 1, -1, 3. Matrix B, which is equal to 3, 1. Matrix C, which is equal to 1, 0, 2, -1, 1, -2. Matrix D, which is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Matrix E, which is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2. And at last, matrix F, which is equal to 3, 2, 1 plus 1, -4, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1. The question is, which of the matrices are conformable for addition? By the definition of matrix, two or more than two matrices are conformable for addition if order of matrices are same. Therefore, here we see the order of different matrices. Order of matrix A is 2 cross 2. Order of matrix B is 2 cross 1. Order of matrix C is 3 cross 2. Order of matrix D is 2 cross 1. Order of matrix E is 2 cross 2. And at last, order of matrix F is 3 cross 2. Now we easily see that the order of a matrix A and order of a matrix E are same. Therefore, A and E are conformable for addition. Now we write it as order of matrices A and E are same. Therefore, matrices A and E are conformable for addition, which means that matrix A can be added in a matrix E. Similarly, we see that matrix B, order of matrix B is equal to order of matrix D. Therefore, B and D are conformable for addition. Also, the order of matrix C and order of matrix F are same. Therefore, C and F are conformable for addition. Similarly, in a short form, B is added in D and C is added in F. Now, if someone have any problem, raise your hand.
सर इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते? वो जिस तरह प्लस करके
No.
सॉल्व करते हैं या इसी तरह पूरा लिखेंगे?
Just हमें बताना कि add कौन कौन से matrices which matrices can be
हो सकते हैं।
added by each other. बस हमें ये बताना है
Read the question. Question
add
is, which of the following matrices are conformable for addition? Which of the following matrices are conformable for addition? Here we not add these matrices. Here we only tell that uh, which of the matrices are conformable for addition. Clear?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Now we come across the question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. Question number 2, page 14. Find the additive inverse
सर आपकी आवाज 2 दफा आ रही है।
of the following.
हेलो सर। हेलो।
Okay, check the network connection.
नहीं सर आपकी आवाज 2 दफा आ रही है, हमारी तो ठीक है सर।
आ रही है आवाज अभी?
यस सर, आपकी आवाज 2 बार आ रही
सर
है।
बात सुने सर 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 हेलो
Maybe
सर
network problem. Just wait. Just wait.
Okay, it's
No,
clear.
It's clear.
you can hear and watch.
Question number 2 is find additive inverse of the following matrices. The first matrix is 2, 4, negative 2, 1. The second one is 1, 0, negative 1, 2, negative 1, 3, 3, negative 2, 1. The third one matrix is 4, negative 2. Similarly, the fourth one matrix is 3, which is equal to 1, 0, negative 3, negative 2, 2, 1. E matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. F matrix is square root 3, 1, negative 1, square root 2. Now we find the negative of these matrices. That is additive inverse. Here you note that additive inverse and negative of matrices are same. Additive inverse and negative of matrices are same. Additive inverse or negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix. Matrices are same. Now we write the negative of a matrix A. We change all the sign of elements. We get a negative of a matrix A. Here we see that in matrix A, first element is 2. Now we change the sign of the first element, it becomes negative 2. In a matrix A, the second element is 4. Now we change the sign, it becomes negative 4. Third element is negative 2, it becomes positive 2. Because we change the sign of the element. And the fourth one element is 1, it becomes negative 1. So therefore, negative of a matrix A is negative 2, negative 4, 2 and negative 1. Similarly, we solve negative of a matrix B, which is negative 1, 0, positive 1, negative 2, positive 1, negative 3, negative 3, positive 2, negative 1. Similarly, we write negative of a matrix C, which is negative 4, positive 2. Similarly, solve the other three matrices by yourself. Now we come across the question number 3. Question number 3 is, if matrix A is equal to negative 1, 2, 2, 1, matrix B is equal to 1, negative 1, matrix C is equal to 1, negative 1, 2, matrix D is equal to 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 0, 2, then Then find the first part. The first part is A plus 1 1 1 1. Here we solve the first part, which is A added with the other matrix 1 1 1 1. Now here we add these two matrices. Instead of A, we write matrix A. Instead of A, we write matrix A. That is A plus 1 1 1 1 is equal to, instead of A, we write the matrix A, which is -1 2 2 1 added with 1 1 1 and 1. Now we added these two matrices. As I tell about the addition of a matrices, the first element is added with the first element, the second element is added with the second element, third element is added with the third, and the fourth one is with the fourth. Therefore, we have -1 add with 1, 2 add with 1, 2 add with 1, 1 add with 1. After simplification, it becomes -1 positive 1 becomes 0, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, which is the required answer. Similarly, I solve fifth part. Fifth part is 2A. Here we solve the fifth part, which is 2A. 2A is equal to 2. Instead of A, we write the matrix A, which is -1 2 2 1. After solving, here 2 is multiply with the matrix. Therefore, we multiply 2 with every entry or every number of a matrix. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 1. That is, this 2 is multiplied with every element of a matrix A. Therefore, it becomes -2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 2 into 2 becomes 4. 2 into 1 becomes 2. It's clear? Now, if anyone have any question, raise your hand. Okay. Ahmed Iqbal. Abdul Ahad.
हाँ सर, मेरा जो है वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर ले, वो -A वाला जो था वो मैंने जल्दी से लिखना था।
Negative A?
यस सर, ये वाला हाँ।
Which one? Okay.
ये वाला हाँ।
सर
It's same as a negative of a matrix, or additive inverse or negative of a matrix are same. Here we only change the sign of every element. You see that a matrix A in which elements are 2, 4,
हो
-2
गया सर।
and 1.
Done, sir. हो गया.
Here we only change the sign of every element. Clear? Okay. We come across the third question, number 4. Question number 4 is perform the indicated operations and simplify following. First part is 1001 plus 2030 plus 1110. First of all, we add first two matrices. In first two matrices, we see that The first element is added with the first element, second element is added with the second, third one is with this third, and fourth one with 4. It becomes 1 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 1 plus 0. And the third matrix written in same form, 1 1 0 1. After simplify, it becomes 1 3 2 1 plus 1 1 1 0. Now we add again these two matrices. The first element with the first element, second element with the second element, similarly third element with the third element, and fourth one with the fourth element. It becomes 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 0. After simplification, we see it becomes 2, 4, 3, 1, which is the required answer. Similarly, you solve sum of the part of the question number 4. If there is any problem, then discuss in next lecture with us. Okay?
You can hear us. If you feel any problem, you can discuss in next lecture. And you can also review this video.
Sir, do we have to
Send the assignment on